You've either represented or opposed several famous figures, Donald Trump, Steve Ross, Larry Gluck. How do you operate differently in high-profile situations, or do you? And what is important to take into consideration when you are working on cases that are in the public eye?
A good question. First of all, I will say that I do have trouble managing the brand in the sense that the reporters call constantly, and I have all these deadlines and pressures, and they're not necessarily trained in all this technical stuff. Not saying they're unintelligent, they're just not trained in it, and the conversations can take a long time, okay? So I often have trouble getting back to everyone. What I would say is that it really depends. There are some situations where it's critical to maintain a low profile. The client doesn't want the attention. That's not the case when I'm representing Mr. Trump, for example. But there are other cases when it's important to maintain a low profile. And it's just a matter of discretion and dealing with the situation. What I would say is there are clients who sort of reflexively say no comment. I think generally that's a bad tack, because whenever you say no comment, it sounds like you have something to hide. And so I think it's better, even if you're making a short statement like the allegations just aren't true, and leave it at that, it's better to say that than no comment, okay? I'm not a fan of ignoring the press. I think that leads to more problems.